Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're looking at the Apple Watch Series 4 and Nike Edition one more time, and I'll tell you why I had to do this again. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so this is not a figment of your imagination. I am unboxing this one more time. I did get a great deal on this because I just picked up the iPhone XR and it gave me $100 off an Apple Watch, so I definitely had to test it out. But the reason why I returned the original one that I had is because it was picking up a lot of scratches because I did have the silver aluminum one. And I did get a big scratch in the face, but don't tell nobody. But another reason why is because the white sport band was getting too dirty and it was getting uncomfortable. So I felt like I should try the sport loop band. So let's just start off the unboxing with the plastic here. Alright. So if you guys haven't picked up a Series 4, it's definitely a beauty. I definitely love the watch when I have my time with it, but I felt like it was getting scratched too easily. But the Nike watches, it only comes in the aluminum version, so you can't get this in the stainless steel. So the one with the silver showed a lot more. Alright, so here's what we get in the box. You do have the Nike Sport Loop right over there. I did like it at first, the regular one, the white and black sport band, but it was getting a little bit uncomfortable at times and it was getting dirty super fast, so I think that this one will do me just better. But here's the watch right here. So glad to have you back. I have been using the Pebble and that thing has been a complete nightmare for me because it hasn't been pairing up. So the first thing I noticed as far as the difference, this one is darker and the other one had like a silver color, but I am just so glad to have this back. Such a beauty. The screen is amazing, and I will have accessories on this. I really found out how easy it is to scratch the aluminum version, so I have to be extra careful, and I'm probably going to leave that in there. But here's what you get in the box. If you guys are curious, right there, you'll get your extra long charger and your standard iPhone brick 1 amp, and it doesn't charge fast at all. I mean, it will charge your Apple Watch fast, but that's about it. But 44 millimeter, of course. If you guys are interested in which one that I got, yes, I did. Got the same one as before. This is the LTE version as well, so I got a nice little discount. I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but Apple is starting to give out nice little discounts, and the carriers are following suit. So definitely happy to have this back in the building. So if you guys want to see more coverage, hold on, let's put this to the side. Let's take out the band. Let's see what this band looks like, how it feels. I've seen it in pictures plenty of times, but I haven't felt it on my wrist yet. I did see how they had a red version of this with the Series 3. I definitely want to pick that one up. Wow, this is nice. Velcro, taking me back to my wallet days when I was a kid. So here's the inside. How to install it, I guess, whatnot. But alright, so let's see if this thing trolls me like the other band. So I'll be right back. Let me learn this before I make a fool of myself. Alright guys, so that's about it. Pretty simple installation. You just have to install the top one on top and just follow through. Let me take off this dinosaur Pebble. Sorry man, you're done. You're definitely done. So let's just pop this baby on, see what this looks like. I'm definitely going to try to get like a little casing for this, but this is what it looks like. Around the wrist, extra comfortable. So if you have small wrist, you go all the way down without having to adjust, because the sport band was really annoying at times because there's times when it was too loose and there's times when it was too tight. Now this is absolutely perfect. Just like the old days. So if you guys want to pick up this watch, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this. Definitely in love again. That aluminum looks dope too. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later. Man, this is such a beauty.